Hi guys, I'm showing you this uniwatch solar security camera. This is a wireless outdoor camera. It's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi 2K outdoor camera. This is wireless for the home security, and this also have 800 lumen LED lights. This is a motion sensor or the siren and the two-way audio. This is the solar panel that you can attach to it, and this is the two stand accessories, one for the camera, one for the solar panel, and this is the camera itself. So you can see this is a really nice build quality for the camera, and this have this two antenna for 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. I'm just removing this protection covering so that I can install and show you the process. So you can see like these have the hook. You can also put it like this way, but it have the micro USB in the bottom, so that way you have to be careful to put it somewhere on the height. So this is for the micro SD card, micro USB for charging. You can use any of this. So this also have a micro USB charging, so if you want to use this, it have inbuilt battery to charge and then store. So you can use it directly with this micro USB cable, or you can use the panel, the solar panel micro USB, and put it outside. So if you see like this, micro USB can go in here, and this solar panel can be adjusted to the place where you have more sun. So then this will charge the battery for this camera and you can use it nicely. Now for the stand, I will show you like how you can put it, but it is straight, like it has the supply screws and everything. So you can add this base stand here with a screw, and then you can put this in the back of the camera or the solar panel, and you are almost done. So you can set the position, then lock it like with the base rotation, like here. Just lock it with the position like where you want it and just rotate, so it will lock that position and you can set it up. So this is IP65 with the color night vision. The manual is provided, and there is an app which you can use. I will show you the installation. So the good thing is, like with this water protection, that you can use this micro USB cable and through this protection and just add it, and you can just lock it so that it will be more water protected. So I on this camera, and this is the app I need. So I'm just taking the photo, and it will just go to the app store. You can choose. So once this is installed, then you can just use it. Like I just remove to avoid my ID and password stuff. But yeah, so just add and register. You can add device. Choose the camera. This is a battery operated camera, and yeah, just install and follow the process. This is a reset button that it says to, so power on and then reset it. So once this all the process is done, to add in the device, so you can use it after that. So it get reset. I'm just attaching it to my Wi-Fi. Ask you to scan the QR code. it's the get added. So once added, you will see a solid blue light with the network like this. So this camera is added. You can choose and the direction and everything. It will check your network, and then this will add it up. So this is how the app it looks like. You can see like the hand waving, and you can see this 2K video. You can record from this, or you can take a screenshot. I see like it give me the person motion sensing thing, so the notification will come on your cell phone. It's pretty much a nice camera for the